Hey guys, I'm going to show you the barrier rifle, how good it is. So I'm in level 11. It only costs 170 coins. It only costs 170 coins when you're in the low level. But once you get to high level, it costs 205 gems. So you should buy it like right now. And the properties of this gun are efficiency 9, fire rate 91, captivity 20, and mobility 110. So I'm gonna show you what this gun does. And I have a training dummy. I'm gonna look up. Okay, so the dummy's gonna arrive soon, my friend. Oh. So I'm gonna do it in public to show you how good it is. Wait, where are you? There you are. No, wait, you're my training dummy. Stop. Stop. So this is a full admin armor, and I'm gonna see how much it takes to hit. How much hits it takes to kill this guy. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hits and it kills. Actually, he took kind of a lot of damage, so let me do it again. So, okay, oh, stop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It takes 5. It takes 5 hits to kill an full admin armor. It's very good. See? Now we're gonna do a PvP. Let's battle. You see? This is my friend. He has really good guns and he's in the high level. So this is actually good. And it one-shots a guy with bronze armor and stuff. And yeah, it's super good. After this one battle, we're gonna go in public. Very good. So now I'm gonna quit and go to public to show how good it is when I'm killing a lot of people. So let me just wear my armor. I do not have any boots though. So let me go to Heaven Guard. How good it is. I'm not good at aiming, not real, because I only use it for 2 days. What? You don't join me. I was talking to my friend, and so. Huh. Okay, now let me show you. What did this damage on me? Oh no. Okay, good. As you can see, that guy has a very good rifle too. Kill the red. I will be doing videos about like pixelgun3d, like episode 9 or whatever. Without a cannon because he's playing. Where is he? As you can see, we're already winning. But that lane. So this is very good. So Spider-Man, I will do gun reviews. I finally talked.
Oh my goodness!
This is good too. I think I showed something else. So that's what it does, guys. If you did enjoy the video, please like and subscribe for more videos.